Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, which is Wednesday, the 4th day of October 2017. Welcome. My name is Derek. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and PIVX. Everything you do is within your own risk and your own reward. On the daily time frame for Bitcoin, 4,200, it is breaking below. It's making a move down to the newly rising 18 average of highs. The last time it did such would have been, well, the newly rising, that is, right in here, and right at the this point in here. So we'll see how well this goes. It should have maybe a decent move below there. When we take a look at this on a shorter term time frame, it is currently at this level of resistance. However, if you see this thing breaking out above this relatively soon, it's a rare situation. I would expect at least a fast move to this 5,000 level, but I don't expect that situation to occur anytime soon. But on the if such, on the 4-hour chart, let's take a look at this one now. It has changed its status, which was in this bullish run throughout the end of the 20s of September and into October. Market had flattened out, and this little area here where it's resisted the newly declining 18 average starting to go lower has already broken down below these key support levels in here. And that's why, of course, if it does break above here, that's the indication of the early failed move beforehand. But it does look as if it might retrace a little bit lower. So where would it go? 4,100 is definitely the key area in here. 4,000 represents the 18 average of lows on the daily term time frame, which coincides within this high in here at roughly about 39.60, pretty much the same number on the daily. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does have a little test within those levels, and you can't even overthrow or overrule the fact that it could go sideways for an okay amount of time as well over the next few days. Let's take a look at PIVX next. First on the daily time frame with a whole bunch of periods or candles on here, which we can see the up move, which has basically been going sideways for this entire run. That's shortened out the periods. And what I am seeing is a lack of volume rally that came through yesterday after a decent decline back up, of course, towards this 18 average. So I have no idea how this is going to play out. After all, it's been neutral for a while. But let's shorten it out to see what else we can find. Within the 4-hour, there is decent volume, but not compared to some of the ones before. We do see it's had a nice little move up, back down here, and second leg higher, making that of a lower high. So that's a definite concern sign, starting to go lower. I'd be looking maybe to see if it can make a move into this band into the 70s, or a possible place if you're looking for a quick day trade entry spot. That's something I like, is playing a move, correctionary one, back in towards the band. And finally, on the 15-minute time frame, we're seeing these double lower high levels in here, breaking down this support. So I think for the next little while, it may at least test this mark in here. And of course, if it doesn't hold, I'd be looking for 70 to be key support. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day.